Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity given to use in this international conference on mathematics and learning research. My name is Andidian Anggriani and my colleague Miss Liz Nasari Andi Matoliang. We would like to present a paper entitled Developing Interactive Learning Media based on Macromedia Flash Application on the Material of Polyhedron. Introduction. The background of this research is as follows. The educational paradigm in the 21st century is marked by the use of technology in learning as a demand for the industrial era 4.0. Especially during the current COVID-19 pandemic, the use of technology is very much needed in learning. Therefore, the teacher must be competent in using technology in learning process to achieve learning objectives. One of the mathematical materials that have a high level of difficulty and abstraction is polyhedron. Based on the observation, the teacher has difficulty conveying polyhedron through online learning. The learning media used by the teacher is less attractive. As a result, students are less interested in learning mathematics and don't understand the concept of mathematics, especially polyhedron. Therefore, we develop in interactive learning media based on Macromedia Flash. The study aims to determine the process of developing interactive learning media in a valid, practical, and effective material of polyhedron. Research method. This research is research in development. The development model used in this research is AD, analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The test subject in this study were 10 students of a grade. The instrument used were validation sheet, student response questionnaires, teacher response questionnaires, and learning outcome tests. The analysis techniques used were validity, practicality, and effectiveness analysis. Result and discussion. Result. The step for developing this interactive learning media based on Macromedia Flash application on the material of polyhedron consists of 5 stages, namely, first, analysis stage. This stage aims to find out and clarify the problem faced in schools related to the learning media used in schools so far. The second, design stage. The design stage is a follow-up the analysis stage. The process of designing learning media requires a design sketch to help make a learning media. The third, development stage. During this development stage, several things were carried out, including designing the learning media and product eligibility validation. The fourth, implementation stage. At this stage, all media design that have been developed were implemented after revision. The fifth, evaluation stage. At this stage, revisions were made based on suggestions from the implementation stage for the improvement of the interactive learning media that had been developed. Furthermore, this discussion will be continued by my colleague, Ms. Liz Nasari Andi Matoliang.
This is a display of material on interactive learning media based on Macromedia Flash that have been developed. The material frame also contains image, audio, animation, and material buttons. In the interactive learning media that have been developed, there is an evaluation. The evaluation frame contains 20 number of practice questions in the form of multiple choices that will be answered by student. After answering the question, the page will be replaced showing the number of scores obtained from the results. And also there is an evaluation discussion after the scores are displayed. Designing a media using Macromedia Flash application as an interactive learning tool that can be used by teachers and students in the learning process was intended purposefully so that students can learn independently. Based on the validation result, the mean score of the learning material media teacher and student response questionnaire and the test of the student learning outcomes is 3.51 and categorized as very valid validity. The practicality of the product can be seen from the result of the teacher response questionnaire and student response questionnaire analysis. The criteria determined to state that teachers and students give a positive responses are if the percentage value of the responses given by teachers and students is at least 70%. From assessing the teachers response questionnaire, 80% was obtained with a positive response category, and from the student response questionnaire assessment, obtained a result of 85.68% with a positive response category. So the product was declared practical. From assessing the result of the analysis of student learning outcomes, the percentage obtained is 80% with the complete category. Based on the criteria for completeness classically are as long as 75% of the student achieve a minimum score of 75. So the interactive learning media based on Macromedia Flash application can be said to be effective. According to Mashkur, Nofrisal, and Shashali 2017, feasibility and attractiveness of Macromedia Flash show that the learning media is in the very valid category, and the attractiveness of the developing mathematics learning media using Macromedia Flash based on the students' responses is in very attractive category. Developing interactive learning media based on Macromedia Flash application use ADDIE development model, which consists of 5 stages: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. From 5 stages, it can be concluded that the interactive learning media developed fulfill the validation, the practical, and the effectiveness criteria. That's all our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.